Hi, everybody. Badges are fantastic motivators and a way of celebrating progress on your Pluto LMS instance. Badges can be course specific, which are available to users enrolled within a course and related to activities that happen inside of that course. However, in this video, I'll give a high level overview of site wide badges. To find your site wide badges, you can go to Site Admin, located on the left hand navigation panel, and your sixth panel is called Site Badges. And here you can add new badges, change the settings, and also manage the badges that you've created. If you were to click on Manage, you will see all the badges that you've created. You can add a new badge, see whether or not they are available to users, the criteria that you have set in order for this badge to be awarded, the different recipients, and you can perform some actions such as editing the badge, deleting it, and also copying it. If I were to click on Edit Badge, you can see how I created this badge by giving it a name. I can give it a description, add the image, as well as set the different criteria. Here I can choose whether I want to manually award this badge or if the criteria are as stated over here by completing a course or a set of courses. I can also choose whether or not it's via competencies, or even if a user has completed their profile, I can award a badge. I can also set up a message for this badge, as well as see the recipients once again. I can also set up endorsement, as well as badges that are related to this badge. And lastly, I can also set up alignments. These badges, once awarded, will display in the notifications panel for the user, where they'll be able to navigate to the badge, and they'll also see it on their profile, where they can display and download it.